Hello dear students, today I will discuss about the chapter third, that is matrix. Okay, so matrix is new for you because this is first time in your course. Okay, so matrix, what is matrix? Just a new entity. Okay, ये way of representation of data, also numbers, functions, that is useful in many branches of mathematics. Okay, so very useful topic is this matrix, and this is what matrix, you can suppose matrix is a representation of numbers or data in a suitable way that we can get some special type of results by using that representation. The representation as a entity. Okay, so data are represented in some special way, that is in row and in column. Okay, so just practical data can be also written in row wise or column wise, that is useful for finding some special results. So here matrix is what? Arrangement of numbers. So we can say that matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. That is matrix having, we can put numbers or functions in matrix. Rectangular array, that means there is an arrangement of numbers row wise and column wise. Okay, so just see, for example, suppose 1, 2, 3. Just we write this 3 number, and also 4, 5, 6, or 3, 4, 5, 6, or 2, 3, or 7, 8, or only 9. So here in this line, these 3 numbers are written orderly. Okay, and second line also this. So this type of these 6 numbers are represented like this. So and we write like this within 2 brackets like this. This 4 numbers, this 2 numbers, this 2 numbers, this single numbers. So totally treated as a this total is treated, the representation of this 6 number as a single entity, that is called matrix. There is a representation of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In first line 1, 2, 3 are orderly written. In second line also 4, 5, 6 are written. And you can consider like this. In first column, this is vertical arrangement known as column. This is horizontal arrangement are known as rows. This is first row, this is second row. this is vertical, so this first column, this second column, this third column. So in this single entity, there are 2 rows, 2 horizontal line, 3 columns, 3 vertical line. So first we say about row and then column. So we can write, say that this is the representation of the 6 numbers in 2 rows and in 3 columns. 2 rows, 3 columns. So it can be say that 2 by 3. Just we write its order. Order of matrix is what? How many lines, vertical lines, how many horizontal lines and how many vertical lines. That is how many rows and how many columns. So here 2 rows and 3 columns. So we write like this. In this place, just we write 2 by 3. This is order. 2 by 3 is the order of the matrix. Okay, order of matrix. This order 2 by 3. Similarly here, what? First say 2 line, 2 line, 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. Here 2 rows, 1 column. So 2 by 1. Here 1 by 1. Here 1 by 2. With 1 row, 2 columns. So these all are the order of matrix. Okay. Number of row and number of columns may differ. If both are equal, then we say the matrix is called square matrix, because same number of row and same number of column and there. So here in general we are denoting like this: A I J. I for the just we give the position of the number. Here first position, that is in first row, in first column. That means we can write first row, because first we write row and then column. So first row, first column. This. First row, second column. First row, third column. Means first index is shows row and second index shows column. This is from third column, this is from second column, and first number denote row. So here second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. So this is our general notation. And here 2 by 3, we can write I by j, that is 2 by 3. So here I means row 1 to 2, j 1 to 3. Here we can write I equals to 1, 2, j 1, 2, 3. Because here 2 rows and 3 columns. So from this, A 2 2 is this. A 3 1, here not 3 1, here 1 3 is this. So this is the position of digit. Okay, so here we can just we generally denoted the matrix general notation. Here m by n. M means first row, number of row, and n column. That is I equals to 1, 2, 3 up to m. M number of rows, first I, and j column 1, 2, 3 up to n. N number of column. And generally matrix is denoted by capital letters starting from A, B, C, D. So we can write just suppose A, B, C, D, E. Just matrix is denoted by capital letters X, Y, Z or A, B, C, D. Okay. So here suppose A equals to this. So this is our general notation. These are general notation. General notation for matrix. Okay. So matrix A having elements A and J, where I is first row and J for column. So this is position, just fixed position in which row, in which column element is lie. Okay. So here I m or m number of rows and n number of columns, that is I equal to 1 to m, j equal to 1 to n. If both are equal mn, then we can say that matrix is square matrix. Same number of rows, same number of columns. This is a representation of numbers. Okay. But here order of matrix, how many rows and columns, just if m rows and n columns, then we say m by n orders. Okay. Whenever the matrix is of square matrix, that is number of rows and columns are same, then we can say that the matrix of order n means n by n. Order matrix of order 2, that means 2 by 2. Okay. So these are the notation, general notation. Okay. Now matrix is a special type of entity. Here, just like whenever we study about a new thing, there's just how can add these two, how can subtract one from another, and multiplied by two entity, and also division by two entity, etc. Okay, just like vector. Whenever we study about vectors, and how can add to vectors, subtract vectors. Okay, so here also this is new thing, matrix. So we will study about addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrix from one matrix to another matrix. Okay, this is general notation. AI, small ai, these are not elements. Okay, here types of matrix. First of all, just understand some special, not a special, that is types of matrix. In which type of matrix can be represented. Okay, so first of all, what column matrix, row matrix, and square matrix. A square matrix means having two rows. Okay, column matrix means that is types of matrix. Types of matrix. Here some just like first row matrix. When we say that row matrix, column matrix, and square matrix, and diagonal matrix, and scalar matrix, unit matrix, or identity matrix. Also we say that identity matrix or unit matrix. Okay, diagonal, scalar, identity, and zero matrix. And last is zero matrix. These are the types of matrix. Just generally, row matrix means only row, only one row. Column matrix only one column. And square matrix means number of rows and number of columns are same. Diagonal matrix means first of all row matrix. So if we want to represent numbers just like 2, 0, 5, 6 in a single row. So how many elements are in single? There will be single row. How many columns? May vary. So just like this. This is also 2, 0. This is also 0, 1, 2. These also all are row matrix. Only row are one row. This is one row, but having one row by 4 columns. This is one row by 2 columns. This is one row by 3 columns. These all are the row matrix. The single row, there is single row. If and number of column may be of any number. Okay, may vary. So that is called row matrix. Generally, we know that vector, row vector, column vector, we can also say just like this. We are denoting xi plus yj. Here xy are what? Scalar component. So we can write xy. This is a vector. Vector. Two scalar component can be written as a row matrix. Also can be written as a square matrix. So these are the column matrix. Sorry, column matrix. Okay. So this is row matrix. So row matrix single and column matrix just write single 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2 or 0, 5, 6 and any number. So that this is what 1, 2, 3, 4 row are there, but column is one single column. So here 4 by 1, here what 2 by 1, here what 3 by 1. So all are what row matrix, column matrix. Single column are there. Number of row may be vary. So these are the what column matrix. Okay. So single column. And square matrix means having same number of row and same number of columns. A square matrix means what? Just 2 by 2, just 3 by 3 means 2 by 2, 3 by 3 or 4 by 4. Number of row and number of column must be equal. That is square matrix. Okay, for example, what? A equals to 4, 5, 6, 7. This is square matrix. We can write also B equals to what? Sin x, cos x, 0, 1. This is also matrix because these elements or entries with this digits, that is elements of matrix, are called entries also. So function may be also there. So this is a square matrix. What? This is 2 by 2. 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. You can write also 3 by 3, 4 by 4. Just like this. 3 by 3 means x, 0, y, 0, x square, 0, 1, 2, x cube. This is matrix. A square matrix. So here also write sin x, u to the power x, 0, log x, also matrix. So 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Number of rows and number of columns are same. That is called square matrix. Okay. Similarly, different types of matrix can be defined. We can say, so here the special matrix is this unit matrix. First of all, diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix means for diagonal matrix just we require a square matrix. So this is also a square. This is square. All are square matrix. Okay. When a square matrix having diagonal element, except diagonal element, all elements are 0. That is, if we say, suppose this is a general matrix, I here m by n order matrix. That means diagonal matrix means except diagonal, other elements are 0. That is just like this 1, 2, 0, 0. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, all elements are 0. remaining elements are 0. Just we require square matrix. This is the diagonal. This is diagonal. This is diagonal. This is diagonal. Diagonal elements 1, 2, 3. Diagonal elements 1, 2. But here 0, 0. Diagonal elements this is 0, this is 0. So except diagonal elements, all elements are 0. Then that is called what? Diagonal matrix. Here, if this were Aij equals to 0 for all I is not equals to 0. Because here I and in diagonal elements we know A11, A22, A11, A22, A33. That is here to value of I and j are equal in diagonal. So for unequal, that is this other than these elements, this for unequal values, I equal to not j, then Aij equals to always 0. Okay. Then A is called what? Diagonal. Element may be anything. 1, 2, 3, 4 may vary. Okay. A scalar matrix. This diagonal matrix, okay? In this diagonal matrix, if all the elements are equal, if all the diagonal elements are equal in a diagonal matrix, then that is called a scalar matrix. That is, if Aij is equals to same way for all I equals to j, and Aij equals to 0 for all I is not equals to j, means this other than these elements, all elements are 0, but all these elements are same equals to some value k, same way, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, k is any number. Here k is any number. K is any number. So this is for what? A scalar matrix. A scalar matrix means what? Diagonals are elements of diagonal elements are equal in a diagonal matrix. Okay. So this is a scalar matrix. Now this is what? Diagonal matrix. Clear? Now unit matrix. If in this scalar matrix all elements are 1, then this scalar matrix is called what? Identity matrix. Identity means k equals to 1. Then this is called unit matrix. What is unit matrix? In scalar matrix, if all elements are 1, that is called unit matrix, and also denoted by I, identity matrix. And just like this, I equals to 1, 1, 0, 0. I equals to what? 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Just you can write like this. Okay. This is identity matrix. This is 2 by 2. This is 3 by 3. Because square matrix must be. So I equals to what? 4 by 4. How can you write? 1, 1, 1, 1. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All diagonal elements. These all diagonal elements are what? 1. Diagonal elements are what? 1. Diagonal elements are 1. This is unit matrix. And other elements are 0. So I 4 by 4. This is what? 3 by 3. This is 2 by 2. And I 1 by 1 means what? 1. So this is what? Identity matrix. Identity matrix. Whenever this type of different type of matrix we get, just we can use this matrix for a special purpose. Zero matrix means that all elements are having zero. If in a matrix in any order, then maybe a zero matrix may be any order. All elements of matrix, if all elements of matrix are zero, then we can write it as denoting by 0. Okay, zero matrix may be of any order, just like this 2 by 3. So what? Two rows are there. 2 by 3, zero matrix, 2 by 3. And zero matrix of 3 by 3. So what? All elements are 0. 3 by 3. So zero matrix may be any order. All elements are 0. Zero matrix. Clear? So these are some basic types of matrix. So these matrices are useful for solving questions. Okay, whenever we get some matrix equation. So these matrix are used as single entity, as just like we are solving some equation in real variable and invariable, just like x. So we can also make a matrix equation also. Okay, so first of all, just see what is equality of matrix. When two matrices are equal, we say. When two matrices are equal, equality of matrix. Equality. Equality of matrix. When we say two matrices are equal, two matrices are equal if their order same and corresponding elements are also same. Order must be same. So two matrices, suppose A is matrix and B is matrix. Its order is 2 by 3 and its order also 2 by 3 and corresponding elements are also equal. Suppose A equals to Aij and B equals to Bij also. Where Bij. Okay. I equals to and j equals to what? 2 by 3. So I equals to two rows and j equals to 1, 2, 3. If two matrices are there, then just if this such that this is the general notation. Aij, Bij. I 1 to 3, j 1 to 3. I want to j 1 to 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. They are equal if corresponding element are equal for all I. Say. Corresponding elements are equal. Okay, just like A11 equals to B11, A21 equals to B21, A23 equals to B23, etc. All elements are equal. That is, just we can see if two matrices are given like this. Suppose one matrix five, 6, x, y, A, B, 7, 9. For equality of these two matrix, it should be A should be equals to 5 equals to A, 6 equals to B, X equals to 7, Y equals to 9. If these two matrices are equal, because order same, and these two matrices will be equal if corresponding elements should be equal. That means 5 equal A, 6 equal B, X equals 7, Y equal 9. Then we can say that matrices are equal. That is, if this matrix two matrices are equal, then we can equate corresponding elements of the matrix. So equality of two matrices means what? Order should be same and corresponding elements should be equal. Okay. So here the same simple exercise is there. Exercise 3.1. Just we have to solve this exercise. Okay. How can we write the element of a matrix here, and also if equality of two matrices are given, then how can we solve this? Okay. So see here, just one by one. Here is given that in the matrix A equals to here 2, 5, 19. Just in first question solution, exercise 3.1. 3.1 exercise. Here is given is a matrix. Here in a matrix A equals to this given, write order of matrix, number of elements, and write the elements just like this. Okay. Here 2, 5, 19 minus 7. So here given matrix is what? Given matrix is A equals to how many? What is the order of this matrix? 4 columns, 3 rows. 2, 5, 19 minus 7. 2, 5, 19 minus 7. This is first row, and second row 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12. 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, minus 2, 5 by 2, and 12. This second row, and third row root 3, 1 minus 5, root 3, 1 minus 5, and 17. These are given. Just here it is said that what we have to find order of matrix. Just you can count here. This is given. Order of matrix is what? Order of matrix. Order of matrix is what? Number of row by number of column. Number of row, just count. 3 rows. Number of rows by number of column. This means what? 1 to 3. 3 by 4. First. And second what? Number of elements. So here the number of elements. What is number of elements in a matrix? How many elements are there? Just very simple. If m by n order matrix, if order is this, that is number is also m into n. That is 2 by 3 means 2 into 3 equals to 6. 7 by 2 means 14. 2 by 1 means 2. Just multiply it. Okay. So here number of elements equals to number of elements in matrix is equals to what? Number of row into number of column. This 3 into 4 equals to 12. And third number, just we have to find the value of what? A 1 3 2 1 3 3, ये 1 3, ये 1 3, ये 2 1, ये 3 3, ये 2 1 3 3, 2 4 2 3, 2 4 2 3, 2 4 2 3. Just we have to find the value of this. That is position of the matrix. What? 1 3. First row, third column. First row, third column 19. Second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column 12. This means what? Second row, first element. Second row, first element 35. Third row, third column. Third row, third column -5. Here, second row, third column, 5 by 2. So these are the elements. Just we can identify in which position the elements lie. Okay. So very simple. Just what is the identification of matrix? How can I identify the matrix and elements? How can we write? Just these are given there. Second question. If a matrix has 24 elements, so what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 13 elements? Okay, so just in second questions, if matrix has 24 elements, if matrix has 24 elements, we know elements, number of elements in a matrix is given by the number of row into number of column. So number of row and number of column may be any number of row or number of column may be any natural number. So just find out the natural numbers whose multiplication is 24. Okay. Find what? How can we write? To find the natural numbers. Two natural numbers whose multiplication is 24. So question 2. If matrix has 24 elements, then its order may be, just we have to find natural numbers. Product is 24. 1 by 24. First, one row, 24 column. Also, we can write 24 by 1. 24 row, 1 column. And then 2 by 12. 2 by 12. 12 by 2. And then 3 by 8, 8 by 3. Just its multiplication is what? 24, 24, 24, 24. And also 6 into 4, 4 into 6. So there are how many matrix? These are the possibility, I think. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4 by 8. Okay. So what? 1 by 2, 2 by 12, 3 by 8, 4 by 6, 6 by 4, 8 by 3, 12 by 2 and 24 by 1. That means just you have to find the natural number whose multiplication is 24. If matrix has 13 elements, then only 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Then 1 by 13 and 13 by 1 are possible orders. Then possible orders are this 13 prime number, so it's there is nothing is factor of this, so 1 by 30. or 13 by 1. 1 by 13 or 13 by 1. Okay. So 13, question third. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What is if element 5? So very simple. 4 is also okay. Same type of questions. Third 3. What? How many elements? 18. 18 elements. And 5 is also prime number. So in case of what? Question 4. Question 4. No, 3. Question third. Sorry. Question third. Question third. Third question is what? 18 elements. 18 elements means what? 1 by 18, 18 by 1, 2 by 9, 9 by 2, and 3 by 6, 6 by 3. This 6, sir. Okay, 1 by 18, 2 by 9, 3 by 6, 6 by 3, 9 by 2, 18 by 1. So these 6 possible orders. Okay, possible orders are. And second case, if 5 element, if matrix has 5 elements, then 5 elements, then what? 5 by 1 and 1 by 5, only these two, because 5 is prime number, so 5 by 1 and 1 by 5. Okay, now 4, construct a 2 by 2 matrix where A equal to Aij whose elements are given by. So here the relation, the value of Aij is given for a matrix, and we have to find the constant the matrix. That is we have to write the matrix A equals to what. So here just 4 given A equals to Aij, where here just I construct 2 by 2 matrix. Just we have to construct 2 by 2 matrix, means 2 row 2 column, that is I equals to 2, where Aij equals to given what? I plus j square by 2. I plus j square by 2. For construct 2 by 2 matrix, I equals to 1 2 and j equals to 1 2. Because 2 by 2, so I is also 2, j is also 2 up to 2 means number of rows 2, number of column 2, but construct 2 by 2 matrix. So just 2 by 2 matrix means 4 elements will be there. First row, 2 row, 2 column. So it is 1 1, it is 1 2, it is 2 1, it is 2 2. So this is for 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. So A 1 1. Here given Aij equals to this. See here Aij equals to I plus j square by 2. So A 1 1 means I equals to 1, j equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 square by 2 is 2 square. 2 square. 2 square by 2 means 2. Similarly, just write all the values. A1 2, A1 2, 1 plus 2 square by 2 equals to 3 square by 2 equals to 9 by 2. Similarly, A2 1, 2 plus 1 square by 2 equals to 3 square by 2 equals to 9 by 2. A2 2 equals to means 2 plus 2 square by 2 equals to 4 square by 2. 16 by 2, 8. So just position wise find all the values if this type of relation is given. Okay, just put value of I and j here. Ij, 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 Ij. So just put all these values in the matrix. So required matrix is, required matrix is this. A1, 1, 2. Just you can write like this: A1, 1, A1, 2, A2, A1, 2, 9 by 2. Here also 9 by 2 and 2. So this is the matrix. 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, and here 8, 8, sorry, here 8. Okay. So this is 8. 2, 8, 9 by 2, 9 by 2. Clear? If this type of relation are given, then just you have to find position wise elements and then put the value in the matrix. Also, here your I by j, I plus 2j square by 2, just you can for the other, this first part. First. Second, what is given? Second is given here. Second matrix, what? I by j. Just you can write very easily. A Ij equals to what? I by j. That is what? 1 by 1 equals to 1. 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. 2 by 1 equals to 2. 2 by 2 equals to 1. So matrix is what? Just use this relation. Okay. So what? 1 half to 1. 1 half to 1. Just this is matrix. Similarly, you can write I plus 2j 1 half to 1. 1 half to 1 this matrix. Similarly here third part is given what? I plus 2j square by 2. I plus 2j square by 2. Just you can find the value. Okay, and put here. New value you can get. 1, 1. So 1 and 2, 3, 3 square 9 by 2. What? 9 by 2. Just 1, 2. 25 by 2. 25 by 2. 2, 1. 16 by 2, 8. 2, 2. 6. 36. 18. So this will be the value. 9 by 2, 25 by 2. 9 by 2. 25 by 2. And 8, 18. 8, 18. 8, 18. So you can write like this. Okay. So just put the value. Once 2 by 2, that's why I equal to 1 to 2 and j equal to 1 to 2. Okay. Take question 5. Consider 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by 3 by 4 matrix. So here just do the same process for finding value and you can do it easily. Okay. Here 3 by 4 matrix means 12 elements are there. 12 elements. Okay. So 5. For 3 by 4 matrix, I equals to 1, 2, 3 and j equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here Aij equals to, what is given? Aij equals to in first matrix, 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by these. So we can see that half minus 3i plus j, half minus 3i plus j, 2i minus j, just minus 3i plus j, 1 by 2 mod minus 3i plus j. This is given relation. So 3 by 4 means 12 elements will be there. So 12 elements means third row A1 1 A1, 2. A second A, 3 rows, 4 column. So 4 column, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and so on. Just identify all the numbers. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 column. So here 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Here what? 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. 3 by 4. Required matrix. Required matrix. Required matrix. So just use, find all these values and put here. I equal to this implies A 1 1. What? Half mod of 3 into 1 plus 1 mod is equals to what? Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Minus 2. Half mod minus 2 means 2 by 2 equals to 1. So 1, value is 1. Similarly, A1 2, A1 3, A1 4 and so on. Just find all the values and put here. So matrix will be what? First 1 and then just put. You can put value. Okay? So just find the value. Second value, what? Minus 3 into 1 plus 2 minus 1, 1, 1 half. Second value will be what? Yet 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 half. So what is the value? Half. Its value is half. Similarly, its value minus 3 plus 3 0 0. Its value 1 4 1 minus 3 plus 4 1 1 by 2 1 by 2. Okay, so half 0 half, half 0 half. Just you can find all the values. So do it complete. Okay. Similarly, question for second is what? 2i minus j. So you can do it. So complete this question in your copy. Okay. Now take question 6. What is question 6? Here, question 6 is find the value of x, y. Here, just some questions are there. Just we have to find the value of x, y for comparing. Yet, what is given? Find the values of x and y, x, y, z of the following equation. Here, equation is given. Equation is given means matrix equation. To quantity, entity, to matrix. To matrix are equal. So, question 6 given. What is given? Two matrix are equal. Two matrix are equal. 4 3 x 5. 4 3 x 5. Right side is given y z 1 5. Y z 1 5. So we have to find the value of x y z. Just you have to write. We know that if two matrices are, if two matrices are equal, then if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. Their corresponding elements. A 4 equal y, A 4 equal y, 3 equal z, x equal 1, 5 equal 5. So from here we get see that x equals to 1, y equals to 4, z equals to 3. 1 4 3. 1 4 3 are the solution. Similarly, you can solve all remaining questions here. Second is given x plus y 2. This is first question. Okay. Now second question. Second question is here. Second is given x plus y 2, x plus y 2, 5 plus z xy. This is one matrix, and right hand side matrix is what? 6 to 5 8. 6 2 5 8. Also, if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. Just write. Therefore, just write corresponding elements are equal. Just we have to find the value of what? X, Y, Z. Here, x plus y equals to 6. 2 equals to 2. Okay. And 5 plus z equals to 5. And x, y equals to 8. So 2 equals to 2, right? 5 plus z equals to 5 is z equals to, implies z equals to what? 0. Z equals to 5, 5 cancel, z equals to 0. Now for x, y, x plus y equals to here. X plus y equals to what? 6 and x, y equals to 8. So we can solve this. How? This is two equation. So we can write x minus y square equals to x plus y square minus 4xy, x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4xy, so minus 2xy x minus y whole square. We can write like this. So x minus y equals to what? Root over x plus y square, 6 square, minus x, 4 into xy, 4 into 8, 4 into 8. So what? 36 minus, so root 4 equals to plus minus 2. Plus minus 2. So root 4 means plus 2 or minus 2. So we can write x minus y equals to 2 or x minus y equals to minus 2. If x minus y equals to 2 and x plus y equals to 6 and also x plus y equals to 6, just solve it. We can get value. What? Adding y cancel, 2x equals to 8, x equals to 4. X equals to 4, then y equals to what? 2. Here, adding 2x equals to 4. So x equals to 2. X equals to 2, then y equals to 4. So two set of values. Thus, x equals to first 4, y equals to 2, z equals to 0. Or x equals to second 2, y equals to 4 and z equals to 0. So our solution is what? 240 or 420. 240 or 420. 240 or 420. Okay. So this main thing is this: if two matrices are equal, then elements are equal. So just taking element equal and solve, and you can find the x value of x, y, z. Similarly, you can solve third of this. Okay, third can be also solved by equating corresponding elements. Okay, so complete it. Also, now 7. What is 7? Find the value of a, b, c, d from the equation. It is also same question. 7. 7 can also you do. Okay. Find the values of a, b, c, d. A minus b, 2a plus c. Given a minus b and 2a plus c, 2a plus c and what? 2a minus b, 2a minus b, and 3c plus d. 3c plus d is equals to minus 1, 5, 0, 13. Minus 1, 5, 0, 13. This is given. So very simple, just you can solve minus 1, 0, 5, 13. Just compare these two values here. What will give? Corresponding elements are equal. Minus ab, a minus b equals to minus 1, 2a plus c equals to 5, 2a minus b equals to 0, and this is equals to 13. 3a plus 3c plus, here 3c plus d equals to 13. So just solve. After solving you can get the value, because here by using these two we can get a relation b in b and c. Okay. From here we can write the value of b in terms of a. So by using these two we can solve a and b. Find the value of a and b, because b equals to 2a. A minus 2a equals to a minus 2a equals to minus equals to 1, a equals to 1, a equals to 1, then b equals to 1, then if a, then c, then c, then d. Just you can solve it. Okay, so solve it. Similarly, 8, question 8 and 9 and 10 are objective type questions. Let's see here. Eight, 9 and 10. 3 are objective type questions. A equal to Aij m by n is a square matrix if what? A equals to Aij m by n. A square is a square matrix. If what? Both are equal. Okay, both are equal means what? C is correct answer. Option C. Option C is correct. 9. What is given? 9 in 9. Which of the given value x, y make the following pair of matrix equal? 3x plus 7, y plus 1. 3x plus 7, y plus 1 and matrix 5, 2 minus 3x. 5, 2 minus 3x. This. And 0, y minus 2. 0, y minus 2 and 8, 4. These two matrices are equal. If equal, then what? 3x plus y equals to 0. 3x plus 7. 3x plus 7 equals to 0. 3x plus 7 equals to 0. 5 equals to y minus 2. 5 equals to y minus 2. And y plus 1 equals to 8. And 2 minus 3x equals to 4. Just here see, y equals to 7. Here y equals to 7. Very good. Here 3x plus y, 2 minus 3x. Here just 3x equal to minus 2, 2, x equals to minus 2 by 3, x equals to 2 by 3, x equals to 2 by 3. Okay, just here see 3x equals to 2 minus 4. So x equals to minus 2 by 3. And here y equals to 7. So x equals to what? Y equals to 7. Here y equals to 7. Y equals to 7. So minus 7 by 3. So this value and this value are not equal. Are not unique value. So what? Answer: not possible values to find. The values of x and y not possible to find because value of x is not unique. That's why answer is what? B. Not possible. Not possible. Okay. Not possible to find. Not unique value. So 10. What is the question 10? 10 is the number of all possible or matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 2. So very important question is this. Question 10. What? Just we have to write two matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay, here 3 by 3. 3 by 3. How many position? 9 position are there. And each position can be filled with 0 or 2. 0 or 1. What entry? Either 0 or 1. So that is or 0 or 1. By these two, we can fill this place. So its permutations are what? Its permutation are what? 2. 2 factorial, that is equals to 2. In the 2 way, we can fill each of the place. So how many places are there? 9. So 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9. Okay. So total permutations of for 9 position, what will be the value? 5, 1, 2. 2 to the power 9. 5, 1, 2. 5, 1, 2. Just 5, 1, 2. Calculate it. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 and so on. Okay, so 2 power 9 means 4 means 2 into 2 4 4, 16 into 5 means 32. This is equals to 5. 512 means what? D option is correct. D option is correct. Okay. So all the questions of exercise 3.1 is completed, and do complete all the questions from examples also and exercise in your copy and send me some questions for your attendance. Okay.